There's a machine. Once you enter it, everything becomes perfect. You don't know it's a machine. You just wake up into a new life. A life where everything goes right. You're loved deeply. You do what you enjoy. Every dream you've ever had slowly starts coming true. There's no fear of failure, no long nights of doubt, no heartbreak that leaves you shattered. Just a smooth, beautiful ride through life. And it feels real, completely real. To your mind, nothing is missing. The people around you feel alive. The victories feel earned. The love feels true. You laugh, you cry, you grow. But all of it is being fed to your brain. Nothing is actually happening. You're just a body lying in a chair, connected to wires, dreaming. So here's the real question. Would you enter the machine knowing it's fake but perfect? It's tempting. Who doesn't want a life without pain? But maybe something inside us hesitates. Because if everything is fake, does any of it really matter? If you didn't actually climb the mountain, is the view still beautiful? If the people around you aren't real, is their love still worth anything? Maybe we want more than just happiness. Maybe we want truth, even if it hurts. Maybe the struggles, the mess, the uncertainty. That's what makes life feel real. The machine offers peace, perfection, pleasure. But real life offers something no machine can copy. The raw, unpredictable journey of being human. So now it's your choice. Do you plug in? Or do you stay here with all the pain, all the beauty, and all the things no machine can ever create?